Country 5-0, baby. What an absolutely beautiful place. I stopped to eat something and the car pulled over and the guy came out and asked me if I want to have tea. I said if we have tea I need to stay somewhere because it's getting late. He said, well, I have a house here and I have a house in the next town. The problem is my house here is really small. The house I have in the next town, it's free. No one's there, so you can stay there if you want. I said, yeah man, why not? So it's cool. His name's Lockwinder. And yeah, I got a place to stay. All right. Plans changed last night. I didn't stay at Lockwinter's house. He brought me to his friend's house, Lovepreet Singh. I had an amazing meal last night. Nothing quite like getting dinner in bed. Pretty good hospitality. What is your opinion of the United States?
United States is a very good country. Everybody's dream want to go there and settle down there.
So I'm going to talk to them later about their religion, so you guys are going to learn a little bit about Sikhism. Wow. I'm sure the first few times are like tying a tie, a bit difficult. In one word, describe Donald Trump.
Stupid. Idiot. Same.
Hello.
Hi.
I get to meet all of Lovepreet's family, whether they're here or far away. Describe Barack Obama in one word.
All. God. Awesome man.
This is the guy that woke me up at 4 in the morning. He's the head. What do you call the guy who?
Babaji.
This is the Babaji in the temple across from their house.
Gurudwara I.
Hey, where are we?
In Jira, Punjab.
Hello, my name is Sukhdev Singh and I am 32-year-old and I am doing government job in a department in revenue as a patwari and I belong to Sikh religion. I am living in Punjab.
My name is Lovepreet Singh and age 23 old and I complete my study last year and now I doing farming with my father.
My name is Gurudwara Singh. I am near about 23 years old. I am belong to Punjab from Sikh religion. My Sikh culture is very famous because of my turban, my beard, my hair, and I never tried any kind of eggs, chicken, and alcohol in my whole life. And I met with Andy.
Can you guys tell me just a little bit about your religion?
Sikhism is a very great religion. It's about 550, 100-year old, and it's founder of Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and our 10 gurus.
And 11th Guru, the holy book, Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji.
Which is situated in a golden temple.
In this lesson of how to live our life.
Everything you can find what you want, you can find in the holy book Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Whatever.
Okay.
Only Sikh wear the turban and by the beard and mustache.
Okay.
By this 2 points you can spot the difference between Sikhs and other people.
So last night when I was staying the night at his house, I was startled at 4 a.m. with a microphone. So now I know why. So for an hour and a half, they give a lecture, a sermon in the morning from 4 to about 5:30 a.m. and then they repeat it at night.
Yeah.
Anybody can go there and eat, sleep, and stay anytime.
All accommodation
Without of any cost. And they survive they service a very good food.
Golden Temple have 4 doors. That means they open for all religion people, like any caste of Hindu, Christian,
any religion
people can easily go there, and they make a record in Guinness Book. So that's why this place is very famous, Golden Temple.
All city and all villages have one temple.
One small temple.
Temple means Gurudwara.
Gurudwara.
No temple, Gurudwaras.
In Punjabi, it is called Gurudwara. Gurudwara.
I called Gurudwara.
We never cut the hair.
Did you cut your hair?
No.
No. It just
When I-
doesn't grow?
I am Sikh
Yeah,
too, but
yeah.
I am cut off my hair because fashion, you know that.
When I was in.
But it's very wrong thing, not good.
Firstly, we both are cut the hair. When I was child, both are child, then I cut the hair.
Cut the hair.
Because I did not know about my culture properly.
Okay.
But after that, when I was.
So what age did you learn?
According to me, when I was in 7th or 8th standard.
Okay.
So that's why we grow our hairs, because I really loved my culture. I have unique culture rather than others.
So just imagine, you've never cut your hair, you've never trimmed your facial hair, and you let it grow your entire life. Some people still do that. There's people in their 60s, 70s, 80s, they've never trimmed their hair or anything. I find that remarkable. He comes in the morning at 8 o'clock and he wakes us up. So hospitality.
Okay, man.
Glad we stopped in the river.
Hope we meet again.
Me too. Jennifer Lopez or Jennifer Aniston?
Oh, Jennifer Lopez.
Jennifer Lopez.
Same. Jennifer Lopez.
Bananas or apples?
I think apple.
Apple. Bananas.
I'm bananas for sure.
Yeah, bananas.